From time to time, it will be necessary to clean the charger to ensure it functions well and detects your hearing devices for charging. We recommend following these steps weekly. First, use the cleaning tools wiper to remove wax and debris from the sensor and hearing device cradles. Next, finish removing any wax and debris from the sensor with the cleaning tool brush. Finally, wipe the hearing device cradles with the cleaning cloth. Change the pedals about every month or earlier if you see any wear and tear. Change the mic cap about every month or when sound quality is decreased. Next, use the cleaning cloth to wipe the sound outlet on your bare device. Gently use the cleaning tool brush to dislodge any debris. Select a new pedal from the packaging tray and peel the tab up. On the underside of the tab, you'll see a visual guide showing you what to do. Align the sound outlet on your Eargo device with the center of the new pedal in the tray. Press into place until you feel a click. Confirm that the new pedal is securely attached to the device with a gentle pull, and you're good to go. For more details on caring for your Eargo devices, please refer to our other videos, your user guides, and the additional information guide posted at eargo.com/guides.